If these animals disappeared, Earth wouldn't slowly change. It would start breaking. And the terrifying part is, most people don't even know they exist. Pause. Let's start with the one holding your food supply together. Bees don't just make honey. They are responsible for pollinating a large portion of the food humans eat every day. Without them, crops don't just reduce. They fail, silently at first. Then suddenly, shortages begin. Then come to the dung beetles. They remove waste from ecosystems before it becomes dangerous. Without them, waste builds up, changes the soil, and slowly the ground becomes unhealthy for life. It doesn't stop there. Wolves don't just hunt animals. They control movement. They control behavior. They control pressure across entire ecosystems. When wolves disappear, deer stop moving the same way. They overgraze certain areas. Plants collapse unevenly, and something unexpected happens. Rivers begin to change course over time, because when pressure disappears from the top, everything underneath reorganizes itself. But land is not the most fragile system. Water is. Then here comes one of the most important of them all. Sharks are not just predators. They are filters for ocean survival. They remove weak and sick animals before disease spreads. Without them, something subtle happens first. Fish populations look normal. Then imbalance starts building quietly. Then disease spreads faster than reproduction can recover. And by the time it becomes visible, the system is already unstable. But shallow water ecosystems hide something even more extreme. And now you want to imagine this one. Sea otters control a chain reaction most people never see. They eat sea urchins. Sea urchins destroy kelp forests when unchecked. And kelp forests are not just plants. They are entire underwater cities. Without otters, sea urchins explode in number. Kelp disappears, and marine life loses shelter, food, and structure all at once. But the ocean is not the only place where invisible control exists. The night system is just as dependent. And now is when it gets interesting. Every night, bats begin their work silently. They consume massive numbers of insects. Without them, insect populations don't just rise. They explode. Crops suffer faster damage. Disease vectors increase. And ecosystems become unstable during hours humans never see. But even bats are not the final layer. Because what happens underground is even more fundamental. Beneath all of this, there's an invisible workforce. Ants. They move soil, recycle nutrients, control pests. Without them, the system slows down. Efficiency drops. And imbalance starts building again. But even ants depend on something smaller. And in the ocean, there are organisms you can't even see. Phytoplankton. They produce a huge portion of Earth's oxygen. Without them, oxygen levels begin to fall. Food chains collapse from the base. And the system stops supporting life at scale. This isn't local anymore. This is global. And when systems fail, the consequences don't stay hidden. Vultures remove dead animals before they spread disease. Without them, carcasses stay. Bacteria spreads. Diseases jump faster between species. And ecosystems become dangerous. This has already happened before, and the effects were immediate. Beneath everything, there are organisms breaking down life, recycling nutrients, keeping soil alive. Without them, plants slowly stop thriving. The ground weakens, and ecosystems collapse from the foundation upward, not suddenly, but permanently. These aren't separate animals. They're connections. Bees, beetles, wolves, sharks, otters, bats, ants, plankton, vultures. They are one system, holding Earth together quietly. And if one disappears, you won't notice right away, but the system will. So what happens when the next one disappears and nobody notices in time? And the scary part, we may already be in the early stages of that. This isn't theory, this is already starting. If you want to understand how Earth is actually changing, subscribe now, because most people will realize this too late.